It is a Stitch Fix day and I have a new stylist, so let's see what's in the box. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name's Andrea and I like to do clothing subscription unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons, that type of stuff. If you enjoy that kind of content, then I certainly hope that you will hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when I put out a new video, just hit that notification bell. If you can, giving me the like and the hype and leaving comments, all those things help me grow my channel and I appreciate that when you do it. And I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my video. So I had the same stylist for a number of years. Marsha, I miss you. And she retired and then they assigned me a new stylist and I had her for 5 fixes and I just didn't feel like things were really going well. So I did request another stylist. However, Stitch Fix sends you a preview of 10 items and I chose 6 of those items. So at one point I remember hearing or reading that AI chooses half of your preview items and your stylist chooses the other half. So I don't know if that's still true, but I'm not sure I can blame my stylist if this is not a good fix since I'm the one who chose everything. All right, my new stylist name is Christy, and they send you an envelope to return things. They've been sticking some coupons in there. They also have this thing called Vision Gallery where I'll try to pop a couple of them in after I do the bundle. And you send them a picture of your face and your body, and then they will style outfits on that, and so you can see what you would look like in things. And they send you a label to return things, USPS, if you want to use, I think, UPS or FedEx, then you can request a label for that. So here is my bundle, and I know that there were some pants and some tops. All right, I'm gonna take off the paper. All right, so on top we have from CECE Sportswear, the Pointelle short sleeve scalloped sweater in navy. A very classic. You can see the Pointelle. Let's see what it's made of. It feels nice. And it's 76% cotton, 24% nylon. So I like everything because I chose everything. Next up, by 41 Hawthorn, we have a button from Cardigan in navy. I used to wear a lot of cardigans like this and I don't much anymore, but we'll try it. And then we have the Market and Spruce short sleeve ringer knit tee. And it's kind of like a peachy color. What are they calling the color? They're calling it pink. The neck is pink, but I think the body is more of a peachy color. What was this cardigan made of? It feels like cotton, and it is 100% cotton. And the tee feels like polyester. And it is 60 polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex. And then we have from Design History, the Kai short-sleeved layered sweater. So it's got this, it's like shirt material, so it looks like you're wearing a shirt under it, just at the bottom, not at the top. And this feels like it's cotton too. It's just a regular crew neck. And this is 100% cotton and 100% cotton, okay? Now this is unusual for me. This is a pair of green linen pants. I think they're linen. They are the Marine Layer Linen Drawstring Straight Leg Pant in green. I don't usually wear this shade of green, but I think I'm going to be wearing a lot of linen blend pants this summer. I'm starting to feel less comfortable in shorts, so I wanted to give them a try. I still don't know that I love that shade of green. And then looks like last we have Travis Mathew Skyloft soft something jogger, soft tie jogger, and they are soft. They have the jogger cuff, and I love me some joggers, and I believe these were on sale. Travis Mathew is a pretty pricey brand. I have a quarter zip that I really like, and I really like the material, and this is similar material. It's got kind of like it's got like 2 seams to give it a little interest. All right, let's see what my new stylist, Christy, said. I try not to look at the prices because I don't want that to affect my feeling about the clothes. Hi Andrea, so excited to be styling your 130th fix. Your preview choices were incredibly intentional and right on target. I'm not sure on target for what. I kept your request for comfortable fits and relaxed tees in mind, and I love that everything you picked can mix and match. The marine layer drawstring pants are a fresh new arrival and give you that laid-back linen-like vibe you were after for the warmer days. For easy tops, the market and spruce knit tee keeps things simple, while the navy short sleeve sweaters from Design History and CECE Sports add a more refined option when you want to look a bit more pulled together. Finish with the 41 Hawthorn front cardigan as your light layer for cool mornings. I wasn't able to include white jeans this time. Tell me your preferred rise and whether you like ankle or full length, and I'll prioritize them for the next fix best. All right. Let's try some clothes on. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will leave my link below, and that will give you $25 off your first fix, which waives the styling fee, which is $20, and then you have $25 to put towards any clothes that you get. I will also get credit, and if you do that, I greatly appreciate it. I've really been watching my budget lately, so being a lot more choosy about what I'm buying. Yeah, I'm excited about trying these on, so I'm probably going to start with those. Let's get going. Outfit number 1, we've got the Travis Mathew joggers, which I like a lot. And we've got the CECE Pointelle knit sweater. So this is them together, and I actually think this would look cute together. I'm going to come up closer so we can talk about each piece. So first, the sweater. It's just the scallop, kind of a crew neck height. It's got, is there a puff there? It's got a little gathering, so it's also got the scallop there, and it is thin. It is quite thin, I feel like, so we'll see what the price is. You know, good for the summer. It's from the side and from the back. All right, let's talk about these joggers. So they are very high-waisted. My belly button is below the drawstring, so you can see they're quite high-waisted. I don't mind that. They've got pockets, and they're kind of that scuba knit material. They are doing a little bit of the pulling here, but I like them enough that I don't think I mind that. I can't really pull them down lower, but yeah, so I like these a lot. The material is very nice and soft. I like the color. Usually I'm just wearing joggers at home. Many of you know I babysit my little grandson, who is 10 and a half months old, 3 days a week, and when I babysit him, I'm always wearing joggers or something similar because I'm, crawling in and out of his play yard and, chasing after him, and so I want to be comfortable. I do like a good jogger that I can go out in, and I actually think that these potentially would be that. It's got like a wrinkle here, so I think that might be contributing to the pulling a little bit, but I think it's actually not bad. I really like these joggers, and like I said, I recall them being on sale, so these are definitely strong contenders. Let's keep going. This is the sweater top with the, you know, it looks like there's a shirt underneath, and that's just, you know, they sewed that on. I'm not vibing with this. One thing I did not notice when I unboxed it is it does have this very cute kind of twist detail on the arms, and I think that is adorable. Just a regular crew neck. It's got some slits on the side. Excuse me. I don't like this look. So this is a no. This is an easy no. But if you like that look, it's comfortable. It's, you know, 100% cotton, and like I said, this twisty detail there is very cute. I just left on the joggers because I really like them and they're so comfortable, and they're probably going to stay with me. Okay, let's go. Keep going. Third navy sweater. I left the top button undone. It's pulling just the tiniest bit there, but I think it would be okay. And it's kind of long, so I left the bottom two buttons. Good sleeve length. It's nice. I believe this was 100% cotton or close to it. It's pretty basic. There's nothing very exciting about it, I guess. So unless it's a screaming good deal, I'll probably pass on this. But it is cute. If you need a navy sweater, it feels nice. And yeah. Okay, let's try on those green linen pants and that pink tee. So for this outfit, I'm going to do it in reverse. I'm going to show you close up, and then I'll step back so you can see the whole outfit. The tee it's kind of boring, honestly. I am wearing a black bra, and you kind of can see that, but it's soft, you know, it's nice material. I generally prefer a V-neck. When I was choosing things from the preview, even things I wasn't super excited about, I was like, oh, I'm curious what that would, you know, look like on. So I can't say it was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that pink tee. So yeah, I don't think there's anything very special about it or unique. It's pretty basic. Let's talk about the pants. So I am usually not a wide leg pant girly, but these actually are not too bad. They're pretty long. I'm pretty close to the floor, but I just have flat sandals on. They've got the pockets, the drawstring. They feel a bit large. They are small, and you can see that they're just doing nothing for my flat booty. So I'm probably going to pass on these because I think they were kind of pricey, and I would have to love them a lot more than I do. They're okay. Yeah, they're just okay. All right, I will step back and show you the combined outfit. So I actually think this would look fine together. The colors would go fine together. So this is the outfit. Let's do prices and a recap. I thought those were some pretty good picks. I think I did a decent job. Let's talk about prices. So the Travis Mathew Skyloft soft tie jogger in blue are $43.97. So I think I'm going to keep them. They just were so comfortable. I love the color, and I love adding joggers to my wardrobe because they get tons of wear. And then we've got the Design History Kai short sleeve layered. This is $27.97, and I just didn't like this. Yeah, and because it's pretty deeply discounted, probably nobody else does either. The button front cardigan is $59. Yeah, I wasn't excited enough to pay $59. And the marine layer linen drawstring straight leg were $138, and I definitely did not love them. $138. The Market and Spruce short sleeve ringer knit tee is $29, which I think is a good price for that. I just didn't feel that excited about it. And then the CECE Pointelle CECE Sportswear Pointelle short sleeve, whatever. This is $69, and while I liked it, I don't like it $69 worth. There was also a pull on it, a snag. I noticed it when I was taking it off. But I feel like that's really high for a thin cotton sweater. So I'm gonna keep the joggers. The Stylist pick subtotal is $366.94. I get a 25% discount if I keep 5 or more items, which would take off $91.74. New subscribers get 20% off. And so that brings it down to $275.20. I have the Style Pass, so I don't pay a per box style fee. I don't believe they're offering that anymore. So they give you 3 days to try things on and decide, and you can extend that if you need to. I've done that quite frequently, actually. You know, I really, really, really like the joggers. So when I find something that I like that much, even though I only kept one thing, I feel like that's really a win. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, today I've been working on mail, both paper mail, most of it's junk, so I have to, you know, roll it with the thing that blacks out the address and name, and also my email. I just let an obscene amount of email pile up, so slowly but surely making progress. Let me know how you're doing, and until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.